Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. The iPad Pro 13-inch M4 model, released in 2024, stands as a pinnacle of Apple's tablet technology, designed not just for consumption but for creation and productivity at a professional level. Here's a quick, humorous take on what you might want to know. Display. It boasts an Ultra Retina XDR display, which is Apple's fancy way of saying it's incredibly bright, sharp, and has colors so vivid, they might just make rainbows look dull. Plus, it's OLED now, so blacks are as deep as the existential void, but much prettier. Performance. Powered by the M4 chip, this iPad is like a rocket strapped to a skateboard. It's built for what Apple calls Apple Intelligence, which apparently means it's smarter than your average tablet. Probably knows when you're about to make a typo and corrects it with a smugness only rivaled by autocorrect on a good day. Camera comes with a 12MP ultra-wide front and back camera setup. Perfect for those who like to capture their life in high definition or just need to look fabulous on a FaceTime call with their cat. Connectivity. USB-C with Thunderbolt USB 4 support means it connects to things faster than a conspiracy theorist connects random events. Also, 5G for when Wi-Fi just isn't cutting it, because who likes waiting? Accessories. It supports the Apple Pencil Pro, which attaches magnetically and charges like magic. The Magic Keyboard for this iPad makes it almost a laptop, but without the joy of Windows updates. Battery life. Apple claims all-day battery life, which in tech speak means long enough for you to forget where you left your charger. Size and design. It's thin. Thinner than a slice of cheese in a cheap sandwich, yet somehow Apple managed to squeeze in more tech than a sci-fi convention. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.